One question I'm getting asked a lot is, can I move my Google Slides presentations into Canva? I have teachers that I'm working with now that have had some slides presentations that are great, and they just want to be able to edit those within Canva now and make use of all the incredible elements and resources that are available through that platform. So yes, the answer is yes, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do that. So you're going to need to be on the Projects tab within Canva, and then on the right hand side, notice there's an Add New button. You can import a folder, a lesson, or upload something from your device, but we're going to click Import from App. You may need to sign in with Google Drive this first time, but I've already signed in, so we'll click Google Drive. I'm going to do a quick search for a presentation I've already led. Now notice that this is actually pulling folders, but I'm going to scroll down and find this actual document, which is the presentation I'm looking for. I'll click Upload. Notice at the top it's importing. I can click View, and you can see here where Canva is pulling that design into their platform. This may take a while if it's a larger file, but if you've got a smaller file, it may happen more quickly. This also, of course, depends on your Wi-Fi connection. But here mine's come in. You can see that it says .g slide, so that's indicating that's a Google slide. When I open it up, voila, there it is. I love what I'm seeing right here. Now, cool thing, it's even pulled in my actual font, right? So I'm gonna get this out of the way. It's pulled in my font. I can skip through here and see that everything is looking okay. Now, I do notice a little bit of error here. Some things are off-centered, but I'm still happy. I did not have to recreate the wheel in Canva. Everything is looking pretty good, especially when I toggle out to this tile view. Yeah, I'm pretty content. I can make a few edits. So that was really quickly how you import a Google slide into Canva. I hope you found this video helpful and informative as you shift to using more and more Canva resources and activities in your classroom.